Tired of cockroaches and bugs showing up uninvited? Forget pricey exterminators and choking on chemical sprays. This one simple solution might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Start with a clean container. Into this, add 1 heaping spoonful of refined sugar. It might seem simple, but sugar is the irresistible bait we need. Next, add 2 full tablespoons of baking soda. This is where things start to get interesting. Now add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Use any brand, any scent. Now, we introduce 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. As soon as it touches the baking soda, it fizzes. Don't be alarmed. That bubbling reaction means it's activating. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. But we're not done. There's one more ingredient, and it's the twist no one expects. Toothpaste. Add 2 tablespoons. Yes, toothpaste. It's not just for your teeth. It contains compounds like menthol and fluoride that pests avoid at all costs. It also gives our mix a thick, paste-like texture and a fresh, clean scent that masks everything else. Now stir. Mix it all together until the texture is smooth and unified. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Here's how to use it. With a spoon or small syringe, apply tiny dabs of this mixture in key locations: behind the fridge, under the sink, around baseboards, inside cabinets, near windows, and along bathroom corners. These are the places where uninvited guests like to hide or sneak in. Baking soda has unique properties that go far beyond cleaning. When it interacts with certain elements inside unwanted visitors, it sets off a reaction they don't survive. It's safe for your home, but not for them. Dish soap breaks down the outer layer of these tiny intruders, making the rest of our formula even more effective. It softens their resistance and speeds up the effect. You'll notice a difference almost instantly. Vinegar brings acidity, neutralizes odors, and makes the whole blend even more unwelcoming to the uninvited. It's nature's disinfectant, and it packs a punch. It might smell a little unusual, fresh, sharp, almost minty, but that's exactly what we want. You don't need much, just small amounts in the right places. Make sure it stays out of reach of pets and little hands. And then, let it work. What happens next will surprise you. You'll start seeing results quickly. Less movement, fewer surprises, and over time, nothing. No more fear when flipping on the lights. Just a calm, clean space. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think.